My name is Paul Burgess. I'm the owner of Mud, Sweat and Gears. So Mud, Sweat and Gears has been established now for 13 years in Strathcona County, and we have 4 stores in the Edmonton area, and we've become certainly an industry leader in the product that we offer. Back in the 70s and 80s, we all grew up after school riding our bike until it got dark, and until our parents were blowing whistles or yelling for us to come home. As I entered my late teens, I entered the sport of triathlon, and that certainly introduced me to a more serious side of cycling. 3 or 4 months into university, it became apparent that perhaps secondary schooling wasn't cut out for me, and my professor suggested I try something else. So I, as a teenager, flippantly said, yeah, I think I'll go get a job down at that bike store down the road. I guess you could say the rest is history. Back in 1991, I started Sherwood Bike Repair, offering a home-based pickup and delivery repair service that started in the laundry room. After a few years, we built a garage, and the business got bigger and bigger until I purchased this location and opened Mud, Sweat and Gears. Starting a business here in Strathcona County was a real advantage. The great thing about Strathcona County is that it's very community involved, and that's been a very good thing for our business over the years, especially when we were new. The big thing with any small business nowadays is to really connect with your community and your customers. It's really becomes important to do what the internet can't do. Strathcona County is a leader in their business development. You know, they're also very good at promoting a lifestyle and their bike paths and parks and things like that. We've got lots of paved trails. We have rural roads that you can road bike on to your heart's content. And we've partnered with Strathcona County for the summer games and projects like that. We became involved with the Skills Park in Sherwood Park. Really add a lot of value to the community, and I think it's a good passive form of free entertainment for youth to go to with their bike and have fun. You know, it's not just all about business, it's about giving back as well. I think with cycling, or with any sport, I mean, the real thrill is challenging yourself. Cycling is a sport for all ages. You can do it through your whole life, and you can watch loved ones progress. And I remember, my son's first day where he rode away from me. Those are experiences that cycling has given me. It adds a lot of value to my life. It's pretty cool. I'd really encourage everyone to get back out on your bike and enjoy it.